Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting cake using a box mix. And today we are making a delicious 6-flavor pound cake, so stick around while we make something boxed, but better. In a large mixing bowl we are going to add 1 box of pound cake mix, 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter, 1 large egg, a ½ cup of milk, and a ½ cup of full-fat sour cream. For our 6 flavors, we are going to need a teaspoon of almond extract, a teaspoon of coconut extract, a teaspoon of rum extract, a teaspoon of orange extract, a teaspoon of lemon extract, and last, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this up all nice and beautiful until well incorporated. Don't forget to scrape down the sides and bottom of your bowl to make sure your ingredients all mix smoothly together. Since this is a pound cake, your batter is going to be thick, and that's exactly what we want. Pour your batter, no, not pour, really it's a spoon because it's really thick. Spoon your batter into a lightly greased and floured bundt pan. Then give it a quick smooth around with your spatula, and we are going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It has been 50 minutes and our cake is done. A quick toothpick test will show that it is clean, meaning that the cake is done. Now we will let it cool. For the cream cheese glaze, we will need 2 ounces of room temperature cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter. Give that a quick mix for about 30 seconds until creamy, and then add 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar. Then give it another quick mix for about 30 seconds to partially incorporate your ingredients before adding 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix on high speed for about 2 minutes, and don't forget to scrape down the edges of your bowl to make sure everything mixes in smoothly until you have a very rich, thick, creamy glaze. No fancy tools needed here, we are just using a sandwich bag. Spoon your glaze into your sandwich bag, gently push your icing to the bottom of your bag and seal the top so nothing comes out when we squeeze it, and we are going to make a small cut in the corner of our bag for piping. I cut a slightly large hole in my bag so that my glaze will have a really thick, luscious look to it. You can cut whatever size you would prefer. The cream cheese glaze is really soft, so you don't have to put a lot of effort. Just give it a gentle squeeze and gravity will do the rest. If you would like to add sprinkles, you need to do it immediately after glazing your cake, or else the glaze will do something called crusting, meaning the outside of the glaze will simply dry and then your sprinkles won't stick. I didn't cut this cake, but here is a slice of the practice cake that I made while creating this recipe, so you can see what it looks like on the inside. The cake that I made for this video went to a friend of mine who made me some really delicious jam as a thank you. And there we have it, our delicious 6-flavor pound cake. Thank you for joining me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them. And I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna. Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting cake. Ah, that didn't work. Nope. Using a box mix. Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, that's pretty dumb.
I tried to have flair.
Oh, yeah. The flair was there.